If you love egg salad but hate peeling boiled eggs, you're gonna wanna watch this video because I'm gonna make your life so much easier. You do not need to boil individual eggs for egg salad. All you need to do is get a dish that fits nicely into a pot that you have. I like to spritz it with a bit of oil. You don't have to, but it does help the eggs come out easier. And then you just crack all your eggs into the dish. I'm gonna use, I don't know, 8 maybe, 9. We're gonna go over to my pot that has some simmering water in it and drop them in. Okay, so this pot has some simmering water and it has a little steamer grate. Just lower this in gently. And this should take about 10 minutes or so to steam. All right, the eggs took a bit longer than I thought. It was about 12 to 14 minutes. But the beautiful thing about this method is you can just poke the yolk and see if they're done instead of playing the guessing game like when you're hard boiling regularly. So now I've got all these cooked eggs. I'm just gonna turn them into egg salad. I'm not gonna go into great detail about how I make egg salad because I've already done that video. So look at this. It just comes out like one giant kind of hockey puck. I mean, it's kind of awkward, but you can just go about this however you normally do. I tend to grate my eggs for egg salad, so that's what I'm gonna do. But you can just break them up with your hands. You can chop them. You can use a food processor if that's your preferred method. Just do your thing. It kind of falls apart as you go, but it's no big deal. I guarantee you nobody is going to notice that these eggs were steamed in a dish rather than boiled individually. It's just not, essentially it's the exact same texture, boiling, steaming. I mean, really, boiled eggs are just steamed eggs because they're steaming inside their shell. Honestly, I've worked in so many establishments over the years where we've made large volumes of egg salad and served a lot of egg salad. And I can't believe I never thought of this until now. I just feel like I want to call all those places now and make sure that they know about this because I remember peeling like dozens and dozens of eggs for a single batch. And yeah, it's just not necessary. So there we go. We got a bunch of eggs ready to go for egg salad. I'm going to keep this one really simple. I've been on the light mayo train lately. It's kind of what I grew up on, but you can absolutely make your own mayo. Got a video for that. I always have frozen fresh dill in the freezer because we go through a lot of it, and I always buy it when it's available and then just freeze it. It freezes like a dream. I'm gonna add a bunch of pepper. Obviously not measuring. Good pinch of salt. And break up those chunks of dill. The other good thing about this method is you can bulk it up with egg whites if you want. You can pour in some egg whites alongside the whole eggs if you're into that kind of thing. And I think I'm just going to keep it as simple as that. I mean, I might adjust with a bit more mayo, but yeah, basically that's egg salad, friends. Didn't need to peel a single egg. Just cracked them in. Oh my God. It's so good. I love egg salad. Just in time for cold plate summer. You know what I mean? I hope you go off and do this. I can't imagine myself making egg salad any other way, really, anymore. Leave a comment down below on your favorite way to eat egg salad. Mine has got to be open face on a nice piece of sourdough with fresh radishes, sliced thin, crunchy salt. Ooh, or on a bunwich with nice butter lettuce. Okay, enjoy. See you next time.